Hi, this is Pam with PS I Love You Crafts, and today I want to show you how I changed a pre-made design in Cricut Design Space so that I could do it on different color paper. So the design I'm going to make are some Valentine's Day tags, and if you go over to the left side and click Projects, this is really slow today for some reason. Oh, goodness. Okay, over here where it says search projects in the upper right hand corner, type in Valentine and hit enter, and it will bring up a good selection of different Valentine projects. In the second row, all the way to the left, right here, you'll see the Valentine tags that we're going to make. They're for candy bags, but you can use them for other things too. So click that, and this will bring up a close-up picture, and it will also tell you the supplies that you're going to need. There we go. And I had to purchase this one because it wasn't included in my subscription, but I've already done that. And then down here at the bottom where it says customize or make it, I want to customize this because I want to change the colors. So I've clicked customize, and it's going to bring the project up in shades of pink, red, and 2 different shades of teal. But I didn't want it in teal. I wanted to use black, gray, and some glitter paper that I had. So I changed the design a little bit. So you can see this is exactly how they have it. Now if you wanted to use those colors, you can certainly do that, and all you have to do is click make it in the upper right hand corner. But I wanted to change the colors to make it a little bit easier for me to know which mat I was going to use when. So over here on the right side, if you scroll down, you can see this little scissors icon right here indicates that it's something that's going to cut. This icon, which is a pen nib, means that it's something that's going to write. So if I scroll down, I want to change the teal. Here we go. This right here is the border on the sweetheart tag. I want to change that to gray. So you click that dot and it brings up the color palette. So since I want to change it to gray, I just click gray and it changes it. And you can see that it changed it over here on my design. And I want to change, let's see. I'm going to click on this gift tag. I want to change this to gray. So now the background of that is gray. And I want to change this right here. I need to change that to black and gray also. So I'm going to click this right here and I'm going to change that to gray. And then the L, the V, and the E, I want to change so that they are black, but it is actually a background for that tag, so I need to find those. And let's scroll through here. Let me look one more time. Let's see. I'm looking for a plain square that has a heart cut out of it. And let's see, there's the writing images. There it is right there. See, this is teal. I scrolled past it twice. If I click on this and change it to black, you can see that I changed the L, the V, and the E is now black because it is a layer behind this gray. And the last thing I want to change is this turquoise heart. And it is down here at the bottom. And I want to change it to black also. There we go. So now when I get ready to make this project, the mats will be the color of the paper that I'm going to cut it out in. And I'll show you what this looks like. Let's see if we can do it. Make it in the upper right hand corner. Click that and it's sorting your project into the mats. And then over here on the left, you see the first thing I'm going to cut is white paper, white cardstock. And then I'm going to cut gray, black, pink, and red instead of the two teal colors. So that's how you sort your colors out on a mat so that you can change the colors. You can do this on projects that are pre-designed, and you can also do this on projects that you've designed yourself. You know, when you bring up images, they might be, you know, you might have flowers that are pink and purple, and maybe you want to change them to yellow and orange to keep them separate. This is best to do this when you're cutting things with a lot of different layers. It's not too bad if you're only cutting one or two, because you can keep it straight in your head what you're getting rid of, what color you want where. But when you have a lot of different layers, it does get confusing. And then when I get ready to actually cut this, this has writing, so I need to put my thin tip pen into the pen holder. And then in the lower right, I click continue, and then I would follow the prompts from there. So I hope that you found this video useful, and I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching.